Okay, so we've been working on this thing for a while now. I've called this the monster board, so if you want to go back and find video of us gluing it up and getting this thing all ready to go. But today I decided it was time for the monster to be done. So I'm going to go ahead and break out the mineral oil here, and I'll set up the camera so you guys can watch this pour. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I'm fully aware that my lights aren't on and I don't have a mic on, but that's been a long time coming, so I hope you enjoyed this. I don't know if I'm going to sell this board, maybe give it away. Let me know in the comments what you think, if I should do a giveaway. Have a good one, man. Take care. Go out and shop and make something.